I want to give you financial advice on living on $100 a month with a family. Is extremely difficult. There is no smart trick that suddenly make it comfortable, but with discipline and the right priorities, you can stretch it and gradually improve your situation. Well, here is a practical, realistic advice. Number one is you should focus only on survival priorities. With such limited income, your money must go only to food, like basic affordable staples. And then here you should also focus on shelter, like rent or shared housing. And third is essential utilities, like you should focus on water, minimal electricity. Anything outside this is a luxury for now. Second, buy smart, not cheap. Cheap isn't always better. Value matters. Buy in bulk when possible, like grain, flour, rice, and beans. Another thing is that avoid daily small spending, like tea shop, a small treat. They drain money very fast. And third is track every single dollar. You cannot afford to guess. Write down everything you spend. Even if you are spending $0.5, that matter at this level. And at the end of the month, review where money leak. Okay. Number 4 is you have to share costs whenever possible. Survival become easier when costs are divided. You have to share rent with relative or trusted friend. Cook meal together. Buy food in group to reduce costs. Number 5 is avoid debt trapped. Loan may seem helpful, but high interest debt will make things worse. And borrow only for emergencies, not daily living. And number 6 is add even the smallest extra income. At $100 monthly, budgeting alone is not enough. You need to increase income. A small side work like selling tea, snack, airtime, or selling data, a second-hand item, a skill you already have. You need to have a repair work like translation, tutoring, any kind of work that you can add on your job so that you can increase your income. And then use platform like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube to promote small services or product. Even an extra $10 to $20 make a big difference. Number 7 is involve the family wisely. For example, older children can help in small save ways like school-friendly work. Second, you teach everyone to avoid waste like food, electricity, and water. Number 8 is build a tiny emergency habit. Even saving $1 per month matters. It builds discipline. It protects you from complete crisis later. Number 9 is seek community support. Don't try to survive alone. Local community group like church or NGOs may offer help. Food sharing or rotating serving group can reduce pressure. And number 10 is think long term, even in hardship. Survival is today, but improvement is tomorrow. Learn one income skill, even slowly. Focus on something that can grow, like a small business like content creation and trade skill. At $100 per month, the goal is not comfort. It is stability and survival while building a way out. Budgeting helps you survive, but increasing income is what will change your life. So be wise.